Hi folks. Hello Facebook land. Hello YouTube land. Hello world. Welcome to a Wednesday evening here in Sharpsburg, Georgia at Mike's Magic Auto Detailing and Paint Enhancement. Finally put the finishing touches on this Ford Explorer today, 2018. You guys all saw the final video of the outside, so I'm not going to dwell on that too much at all, except maybe just a walk around. So, 2 people are watching. I'm done with this car. Just sent the customer a message that it's all finished. Just a quick, hey Miss Mitchell. This is Cynthia Seats Explorer. You know, the lady down the street, Cynthia and Jason. Spent a couple days on it. Got all the outside done. You can watch the previous videos on doing all that if you like, to see what all was done, how it was done, what it was done with. Late yesterday and all day today was all about the interior. It was all steamed. It was all cleaned thoroughly, including the glass. Everything was sealed. Glass sealer on the glass, interior glass. 303 protectant on all the hard surfaces, fabric protectant on all the fabric. The floor mats, of course, they were taken out and cleaned. This one wasn't bad at all, because Miss Cynthia keeps this car pretty fair. It was just dirty, had dirt and dust everywhere, but you know, it wasn't nasty like a lot of the cars I get are. All that stuff was steamed. Hey, thank you, Cherish. Steamed out her vent system for her and put an ozone generator in there so that it would circulate through the vents and kill any mold or mildew that might have been in there. Got the headliner just a little bit. I don't fool with headliners too much, but you know, to me interiors are kind of boring. I'd much rather do the outside than the inside. Larry Blanks, how you doing, Larry? Just finishing up this Ford Explorer. Today was all about the interior. It was all steamed and deep cleaned. Get an idea of what the outside looks like. Of course, you can see the previous videos. Took those seats loose. Shampooed all the back of the seats is fabric. Shampooed all that. Took all that stuff out, cleaned it. Everything was done and is done. Oh, look at this bug crawling on my clean glass. Yeah, it's all done. I just like to do a final walk around. I'm looking for myself. Did all our door jambs, all that. To me, that's part of doing the car. There's an argument in the industry, is that part, or the door jambs, is that part of the interior, or is that part of the exterior? I don't know. I guess it depends on how you look at it, but I generally do them anyway. Cleaned all the rubber gaskets, treated them. All these external door jambs here. Those down in there. Yeah, got all in between this space here that gets missed a lot. You know, with some brushes, special brushes for doing that. Got all this rubber, everything done. I'll pan around here and show you some of the stuff I was using today. I put some of it away. Look at all that. Look at all those cleaners. There's all kind of detailing brushes in there, and glass washing brushes and towels. I bet I went through probably 20 or more microfiber towels, because I like to use them to do whatever I'm doing, and then when I move to a new section, I grab a clean towel. And some of the towels you clean and then you mop. You clean with a cleaning towel, then you mop up with a different towel. Look at all that stuff. I know people that do detailing don't use 25% of all that stuff. And of course, I have my steamer going, my vac, my blower. Hey, Megan Walker. Basically, all that blower, it's a heated blower. I showed you guys that before, and it uses filtered air, which is great for drying the outside of the car. It's called a motorcycle blower, but it uses heated air. And what I used those for was to dry the floor mats after I finished with those, but I didn't want to put them back in there wet. So I just used it to, that's about all I used that for the interior. Although you can use it to blow out nooks and crannies, but I have a vortex tool on my air compressor that I use for, you know, getting all that junk out from between the seats. Those little nooks and crannies you can't really reach with any kind of cleaning tool. You can't get even a long reach tool on the vacuum cleaner. You can't reach in all there. So I use the forced air with my air compressor. That vortex has a cone with a thing that spins inside, so you're getting a kind of a beating action out of the air that comes out. It's great for blowing out those areas like in there and from underneath the seats and all that kind of stuff. Comes in really handy. Hey, Miss Glenda. Finished off with a cup of awesome sauce. I'm lost, Miss Glenda.